huwag nyo ilagay sa litsunan, huwag nyo ilitsun itong tao na ito because he's standing for the PNP. Na dapat hindi ganun ang treatment ng mga resource person pagdating sa investigation. Kasi parang ang baba ng tingin sa inyo, nag-iimbestiga sa inyo. Yun lang ang nakikita ko, masyadong mababa. That's all, Mr. Chairman. Congratulations. And we'd like to thank you for standing up.
Your time has also expired. But sige nga, the long and short of it, yung may maikling kwento, kasi hindi ko naman napanood buong Quadcom, kayo ba ay tumistigo sa Quadcom din, finally? Nagsalita rin kayo ron?
Yes, sir. We were already at the...
Nag-affidavit ka doon? Nagsabit ka
Wala po kaming in-affidavit. We're just...
so, ilang tanong lang ang sinagot mo doon? Ilang tanong? Tungkol saan? Anong topic?
The last time that I was asked by Congressman Paduano, it's all about the operation sa Oron, Your Honor.
Oron?